Hey everyone, want to use Excalidraw for remote work? Excalidraw is a free open-source online whiteboard that helps remote teams brainstorm ideas, plan projects, design workflows, create diagrams, and collaborate in real time. In this full guide, I'll show you how to use Excalidraw for remote work in 2026. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Excalidraw website. You can start using the online whiteboard immediately without creating an account or installing software. Next, set up your workspace by adding a meeting title and creating sections for topics such as project updates, action items, brainstorming, timelines, or diagrams. Organizing the canvas early helps your team stay focused during meetings. Click the Live Collaboration button to create a shared editing session. Excalidraw allows multiple team members to edit the same whiteboard simultaneously, making remote collaboration smooth and efficient. Now use shapes, arrows, text, and freehand drawing tools to map workflows, explain ideas, solve problems, or create project diagrams. Visual collaboration often makes complex discussions easier to understand than text alone. Use colors, grouping, alignment, and labels to organize information throughout the meeting. Keeping related ideas together makes the whiteboard easier to review after the discussion ends. When your session is finished, save the editable Excalidraw project file and export a PNG or SVG version to share with your team. This ensures everyone has access to both an editable workspace and a finished copy for documentation. And that's how to use Excalidraw for remote work in 2026. Whether you're leading virtual meetings, planning projects, designing systems, or brainstorming with distributed teams, Excalidraw provides a flexible visual workspace that keeps everyone connected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.